Welcome to our channel today. We are diving into how to verify your Grubhub driver account quickly and correctly so you can start delivering without any hassle. Welcome to our channel. If you want to become a Grubhub driver, the first crucial step is to verify your driver account properly to ensure you meet all the requirements and can start earning right away. Step 1 is to visit the official Grubhub driver sign-up website. Here you will begin your application by entering basic personal information such as your name, email address, phone number, and creating a secure password. Step 2 involves providing your vehicle details. This includes the make, model, year, and license plate number. Ensure your vehicle meets Grubhub's requirements, which typically include being a 4-door car or a scooter, depending on your city. Step 3 is to submit the necessary driver's license information. Make sure your license is valid and up to date, as this will be essential for approval. Step 4 requires you to consent to a background check. Grubhub conducts a thorough screening to verify your driving record and criminal history, which is a mandatory step for all potential drivers. Step 5 involves uploading required documents. These typically include a photo of your driver's license, proof of insurance, and vehicle registration. Double check that all documents are clear and legible to avoid any delays. Step 6 is setting up your payment details. Grubhub needs your banking information to send you your earnings seamlessly after inputting your bank account number and routing number. Verify them carefully. Step 7 is completing the online training or orientation if your city requires it. This may be a short video or quiz designed to familiarize you with Grubhub's delivery policies and safety guidelines. Step 8, once all the above steps are completed, review all your entered information to make sure nothing is missing or incorrect. Submit your application and wait for the confirmation email from Grubhub, which typically arrives within a few days. After getting approved, you're ready to download the Grubhub driver app, log in, and start accepting delivery requests. Finally, remember, always keep your documents updated in the app and respond promptly to any notifications to maintain active status. This step-by-step verification will help you smoothly start your journey as a Grubhub driver without any hitches. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video so you never miss out on valuable tips and updates for your delivery career.